In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the best video quality in DaVinci Resolve. If you want your final export to look as clean and sharp as possible, one of the most important settings to check is the quality option in the export menu. This is a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how your video looks after rendering, especially if you've spent time editing, color grading, and fine-tuning your project. To begin, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and head to the Deliver page. This is the section where you prepare your video for export. If you're new to Resolve, the Deliver page is where all of your render settings live, including format, resolution, frame rate, and overall output quality. It's the final step before creating your finished video file, so it's worth taking a moment to review these settings carefully. Once you're on the Deliver page, look for the Video tab. This tab contains the main export settings that affect how your video is encoded. After that, scroll down until you find the Quality setting. Depending on your layout or export preset, you may need to scroll a bit to locate it, so just take your time and make sure you're in the right section. When you see Quality, click on it and change the setting to Best. This tells DaVinci Resolve to prioritize maximum output quality during export. In simple terms, it gives your video a better chance of preserving detail and reducing unnecessary compression compared to lower quality settings. That's especially helpful if your video includes fine textures, motion, gradients, or detailed color work. This is a great setting to use when you want the highest quality export possible from your timeline. Just keep in mind that exporting at the best quality can sometimes result in larger file sizes or longer render times, depending on your format and project settings. Even so, if image quality is your top priority, this is usually the setting you'll want. So to recap, go to the Deliver page, open the Video tab, scroll down to Quality, and choose Best. It's a simple change, but it's one of the easiest ways to improve your final export in DaVinci Resolve. And that's it. Once this setting is in place, you'll be one step closer to getting the best possible video quality from your project.